see me?
Yes.
So, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is my baby cousin.
Not baby cousin, 4-year-old cousin.
4-year-old,
How
the
to
baby.
be a YouTuber?
But anyway.
That is the weirdest YouTube search I've ever heard.
So right
How to
here
be a
is my friend. She's taking a video.
No.
I mean my best cousin is her friend.
BFTF?
Yeah, basically. And this is her right here.
Totally.
Yeah, and we're recording a video right now. So
yeah,
so you're gonna
let's
see
start
this on
the
her channel.
roasting.
So we're gonna see at her channel, but I'm gonna put it not a link, but you could like search it up. So
Just
it's
like
called.
put my YouTube name in the description,
So
but not the link.
it's called Chica is
The best.
the best.
Just put that in. Oh, just put like the name of it in the.
Yeah.
Just like put.
Yeah. So you're gonna see. You're gonna see her.
YouTube.
You.
Just like put Chica is the best. Like just put at first cousin's channel and then put the dots on it. You know, like these dots. Come here. These dots right here. And then put Chica is the best. Like these dots. The dots that separate the numbers.
Yes. So it's gonna be Chica the best. So, me and her, my little cousin's room, my baby cousin.
Yeah, it's basically Thomas. The stickers are Thomas. My brother is Thomas. His bit is Thomas. Okay, let's get on with the roasting.
Alright, so we're gonna be doing a roast.
With the roasting. Oh,
So we're gonna be doing a roasting. So who's gonna
I
start?
just ended the video.
We're gonna be starting
Sorry
roasting.
about that.
We're gonna be starting the roast.
Let's start with roasting Xavier. I got a good one. I roast. I'm sorry for roasting you, but you're so cute. But guess what? You got a big head that need an oversized helmet to put on you.
Yay!
No.
My turn.
Ow! That's hard, Xavier. Why can't you roast me? I'm trying to be funny.
It's faking.
Okay. No. Listen, you go for Xavier. Okay.
So, I'm sorry to roast you, Xavier, but look at you. You have a really big head and have a really, really small, teeny tiny hair.
I'm coming. Okay.
That's a really bad roasting. I'm not really good at roasting.
You should have said his head's as big as a watermelon.
Oh, your head is as big as a watermelon.
That's not funny. Okay, Xavier, look, you can roast me. Roast me.
Roast with me.
I can't. Say how do you roast? Say something really mean about me that you've been hiding from me all this time. I hide your paper. That's not really a roast, but whatever. Okay, you're really bad at roasting.
Alright, so your turn is to roast me.
Wait, I want to see if I can
Roast me.
I'm trying to roast. Roast, boy, roast. All attention's on you. I hide your paper. He had to really zoom in on his face, as you can see. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, I think it's normal now. No, it's too close.
Alright, so my turn to roast you.
Okay.
But
I don't really care.
yeah. Oh, hello, Mariah. I know that you have a serious condition, but your head.
The viewers don't know that.
Sorry.
Seriously. So, hi guys!
Hold it.
Okay.
Roast. Alright, guys. So you can see her butt. I have my phone right there.
Okay, roast!
So yeah. So Mariah, I see that you're super skinny. So how do you eat so much and you don't get fat?
No worries. Okay, time for me to roast you. Just note that this isn't real.
Yeah.
Hey Lizzie, why do you and Xavier, I'm involving Xavier, have big heads? That doesn't make any sense. But that doesn't make oversized water. Hey, look! Wow! It ended. Part 3. Did you eat an oversized watermelon?
Dang.
I'm good, right?
No. You care about watermelon so much.
Done. So I have 3 parts. I'm gonna listen to the audio, see what's good, see what's bad.
Alright, so guys, I have to leave you guys. I know it's a really short video because
Listen to the audio.
my family's about to go. So I guess I'll see you guys later.
In the next vid. Peace out.
Outro.
Wait, you have an outro? I don't even have an intro.
Oh, you didn't saw that, you guys. You didn't saw that.
What?
And I'll see you guys later.